What's up guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how I make my aloe vera face mask. For those of you that don't know what aloe vera looks like, this is what it looks like, and it's my special ingredient for today. Aloe vera has so many benefits. Today I'm using it for my skin. The reason why I'm using it for my skin, first of all, it's cheap. That's the main reason why I use all natural products. It's cheap. Secondly, I always know what goes into it, and thirdly, the reason why I chose aloe vera is because I've been reading that it helps brighten your skin. You guys know I don't wear any kind of makeup, so I'm always looking for any natural way to make my skin glow, and I hear that aloe vera does that. Today I'm going to do a face mask that has other ingredients, but for the rest of the week I'm going to be using aloe vera, like the gel, every day as a mask, and for 5 days, just to see how it looks. And I'm going to document it and show you guys at the end of the 5 days what it's going to look like. So stay tuned. Probably next Sunday you'll see the facial effects of aloe vera. Aside from that, I'm going to be taking it every day in my smoothies because I'm doing a project comeback, and like aloe vera has so many benefits. For the skin, it's anti-aging, it clears your skin, it takes away, it's anti-wrinkle, and it also takes away like dark spots. And I happen to have some from the last time I did the last 2 facials I did. I'm going to leave a comment above. I did one facial that gave me like normally when I used to do it, it never used to give me any kind of reaction, but when I did it this time, I got pimples here and here, and for that I have dark spots, and aloe vera is supposed to help take those dark spots away. So I'm super excited to try that out. And for the body, it helps in digestion. Like, I'm all about things that help with digestion, by the way. Like, I like proper bowel movement, and it's supposed to help for that. It helps to detoxify, anti-cancer, it's an anti-inflammatory, it boosts your metabolism, it has candida healing powers for those that get like candida infections and stuff like that. It supports weight loss, it boosts your immune system, it boosts your metabolism, it helps to fight cough and flu, and so many other good things. So for all these things, like, who doesn't want to have all these benefits like come to you? It's not like I have any of these things, but it's just good. Prevention is better than cure, so that's what I'm trying to do, like, be a healthy me, a better me. So for now, let's just go on to my kitchen, of course, and show you how I cut the aloe vera, how I'm going to prepare it, and how I'm going to preserve it, just because I don't want to be cutting it every day, like cutting it and doing the whole gel thing. So I'm just going to cut it once and preserve it. So I want to show you how to do that and how to preserve it, and then make my facial and put it on my skin and show you guys what it does for me. And you know, the thing about these facials, sometimes you do it and you expect like results immediately, but that's not the case. So I'm just going to show you how I put it on, put it off, and then yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoy it. So to cut aloe vera, you start by cutting off the thorns on the side so they don't pierce you while you're cutting it. To make it easier, you just cut it into small pieces and just take out the gel in the middle. I'm just going to put it in this little tin. It's really gooey and slippery. So I'm just going to cut it and put it in there so that it fits properly, and then just close that and put it in my fridge. I'll just be getting it from there. And for my face mask, I'm just going to put a little bit of the aloe vera, the leftover aloe vera, and add a teaspoon of coconut oil and a teaspoon of sodium bicarbonate. So we mix all that together and you get some kind of consistency like that. So I'm done mixing the facial. It's gooey, very gooey. And what I'm going to do first is use a face towel to dampen my face. The face towel has warm water. So I'm going to use my fingers to put this on my face because I don't have a makeup brush to use. So my fingers will do. So I'm going to be doing this every day without the coconut oil and without the sodium bicarbonate, just the aloe vera. But yeah, this is what it looks like. And of course, don't forget the neck. with the leftovers. I thought today I made a small portion because normally I make a lot and I have to like put, which is not so bad, put the rest on top on my body. But yeah, was just enough for today. Ooh, it entered my eye. I'm trying to finish it all. See you guys in 20 minutes to show you guys what it looks like after, although the results don't show immediately. Okay, now so my face mask has been on for about 20 minutes, and what I'm going to do is use the same cloth that I used to clean up earlier. I have a little bowl of water here and my same cloth, so I'm just going to use that and take this off gently. And then finish it off with another warm clean towel. So from here on, if you're going out of the house, you can moisturize with anything else. I'm not going to moisturize because I'm going to stay home, and I use coconut oil as a base, so the coconut oil kind of has its own moisturizing ingredients. So I'm just going to leave it in so that all the rest of the ingredients can just sink in before I add anything else. And I have a pimple out here. I can't, like, I'm looking forward to it going. And yeah, I'm going to finish this off with my normal usual lip balm because I don't wear any makeup. I'm just going to wear some lip balm. Just normal Nivea lip balm. Yeah, that's it. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more homemade face mask videos, subscribe to my channel and ring the bell right next to it, because I'm going to be showing you more homemade facials and stuff like that, and food recipes, healthy recipes, health hacks, home workouts, as well as other workouts. So be sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Bye. Thanks for watching.